Imagine a world where paralysis is no longer a life sentence, where lost memories can be retrieved, and where communication happens through thought alone. While it may sound like science fiction, Neuralink, Elon Musk's brain chip venture, is working to turn this vision into reality. With groundbreaking technology, Neuralink aims to bridge the gap between the human brain and machines, potentially redefining what it means to be human. But how does it work, and what are the implications? Let's dive in. Neuralink, founded by Musk in 2016, is a neurotechnology company focused on developing implantable brain-machine interfaces, BMIs. Its primary goal is to enhance human capabilities, restore lost neurological functions, and ultimately create a seamless connection between humans and artificial intelligence. By embedding ultra-thin electrodes into the brain, Neuralink's technology allows neural activity to be monitored, interpreted, and even influenced, opening the door to unprecedented possibilities. Beyond medical applications, Musk envisions Neuralink as a critical step toward human-AI symbiosis, where the brain could seamlessly integrate with advanced computing power to keep up with artificial intelligence. This concept, once a topic of philosophical debates, is now inching closer to reality. At the heart of Neuralink's innovation is the Link, a coin-sized device implanted directly into the brain. The implant contains ultra-thin threads that interface with neurons, transmitting signals wirelessly to external devices. Unlike traditional brain implants, Neuralink aims to make the procedure minimally invasive, with a high-precision robotic system ensuring accuracy and safety. Once implanted, users could potentially control electronic devices, communicate through thought, and even restore lost sensory and motor functions. What sets Neuralink apart from other brain-computer interfaces is its emphasis on wireless communication, real-time data processing, and a fully automated surgical procedure, minimizing human error in implantation. The device is designed to be biocompatible, ensuring it does not degrade over time inside the body. In early 2024, Neuralink successfully implanted its device into a human patient, a milestone that marks the beginning of real-world applications. According to Musk, the patient recovered fully and was able to control a computer cursor using only their thoughts. This success demonstrates the potential of Neuralink to revolutionize treatments for neurological conditions such as paralysis, ALS, and spinal cord injuries. If the technology continues to evolve, it could provide life-changing solutions for millions. What makes this trial particularly remarkable is not just the implantation itself, but the patient's ability to integrate the technology naturally, suggesting that the brain can adapt to external digital enhancements more fluidly than previously thought. The possibilities of Neuralink's technology extend far beyond medical treatments. Individuals with spinal cord injuries could regain movement by bypassing damaged nerves and directly stimulating muscles. Neuralink could also facilitate brain-to-computer learning, allowing users to acquire new knowledge instantly, whether it's a new language or a specialized skill. In the field of mental health, this technology could introduce groundbreaking treatments for depression, PTSD, and anxiety by targeting specific brain regions with electrical stimulation, offering precise interventions with fewer side effects than traditional medications. Another potential breakthrough lies in brain-to-brain communication. A world where people can share thoughts without speaking or typing could revolutionize collaboration, human interaction, and even entertainment. Beyond medical treatments, Neuralink could enhance human abilities, offering improved memory recall, faster information processing, and heightened sensory perception. The implications of these advancements could be transformative, redefining the limits of human potential. Despite the excitement, Neuralink raises serious ethical and safety questions. The idea of brain implants sparks concerns about privacy, hacking, and potential misuse. If thoughts can be transmitted digitally, could they also be read or manipulated? There is also the issue of accessibility and affordability. If Neuralink becomes a reality, will it be limited to the wealthy, creating a new divide between enhanced and non-enhanced humans? Long-term safety remains another critical concern. Even with the precision of a robotic system, brain surgery comes with risks such as infection, rejection, or unintended neurological effects. As Neuralink continues to develop, rigorous testing and regulatory oversight will be essential to ensure safety and ethical implementation. While Neuralink's first human trials are promising, we are still in the early stages of brain-machine interface development. More trials, safety studies, and technological refinements are needed before this technology can become a mainstream medical treatment. If Neuralink succeeds, it could redefine medicine, communication, and even human intelligence itself. However, challenges remain, and only time will tell if this brain tech revolution lives up to its promise. One of the biggest questions is whether society is ready for such a profound technological shift. Will people embrace the idea of integrating digital systems directly into their brains? Will this be seen as an enhancement or a potential loss of personal autonomy? These are questions that will shape the future of brain-computer interfaces. Elon Musk's Neuralink is one of the most ambitious projects in modern neuroscience, with the potential to transform lives and expand human capabilities. While excitement around this technology is growing, it's crucial to remain mindful of its ethical, safety, and accessibility challenges. Will Neuralink lead us into a new era of human evolution, or will it introduce unforeseen risks that outweigh its benefits? The future of this brain chip technology is still unwritten, and we're just beginning to explore its possibilities. What do you think about Neuralink? Would you consider getting a brain implant if it meant unlocking new abilities? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of AI and robotics.